Hey everybody, Tommy Beez here. I'm getting ready to do an inspection. There's some thunderstorms coming in. I'm starting to get a little nervous. I don't know if it's going to rain or not. Hopefully it stays to the south. Anyway, I'm going to demonstrate how to light up a smoker before I start to go inspect these hives. I haven't been here probably about 12 days or so we'll see how that goes out. Okay, so give me a second and we're going to light this up. Okay, I'm back. So what I have here, I bought some burlap, which was recommended by a few people. I'm going to try the burlap. I also got some wood that's in here. Got some pine needles, a couple pine cones. So I'll see what happens first. So I'm going to roll this up and try it. But first, let's do this. I'm going to open the smoker up. Some old wood in there, so we kind of don't need that. Pour that out. All right. So I'm going to put some pine in there, pine needles, and some pieces of wood first. Kind of like building a little campfire. See how that goes. So last time I was here, I put the supers on 2 of those boxes. I put one without queen excluder, one with the queen excluder. I just wanted to try it out. Both of those boxes were probably 5 or 6 frames full. So I'm hoping that something good happened. Maybe they went up into the honey super and then maybe we get some money. Okay, so let's try this. We're just gonna get it going first. I got some matches here. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna use my torch. Let's see. Actually, I'll take this out first. We'll do it this way. And we're gonna light this up. Nice, that light's pretty easy, nice and dry. Supposedly the burlap works really good. I'm gonna find out. Pine cones work really good too, guys. You ever get a bunch of pine cones, see how that goes. Pine needles. Give it a couple puffs of smoke, a couple puffs of air. Get the fire going. That's pretty easy, right? Now, the key is to keep it going. So, come on, baby, light up. There we go, light up, baby, come on. Light up. Plenty of smoke. Yeah, looks like the sun wants to come out. That's really good. All right, come on. Give a little help. Come on. Okay, nice little breeze. Kind of blew out my fire, but it's okay. There we go. Smoke it up. Come on, baby, smoke it up. Come on. Like wildfires. That's a little better. There we go. That's what I was looking for. That wasn't so bad, right? Okay. Put some more of these pine needles in there. And then we're going to put one of those pine cones in there. I got to get through 5 of those hives, so I got to put enough smoke in there so I can continue. And I think I was saying before that, you know, in order for you to pass like a certified test, you got to keep your smoker going the whole time that you're inspecting the full of hives. That's nice fire. I want to get some hot dogs and hamburgers out. Okay. Let's feed a little bit more. More a little kindling in there. Keep it going. These are going to love me today. Try and get this one up pretty quick because I know everybody's curious about how to light a smoker. So I'm using all pine and a little burlap. So I find that works pretty good for this smoker anyway. Every smoker is a little bit different. Some are bigger, some are smaller. Depending on what you have, you know. We got that really big smoker that you can probably put a log in. It's so big. Whoa, nice, right? Okay. So I'm gonna roll up one more little piece of burlap, put that in, see how that burns. Right now, oh. I want to burn down the house. Here comes the wind, so I don't know what's gonna happen with this rain. Usually the rain comes in right after the wind. Okay. So while that's smoldering, I'm going to get my rest of my suit on, and I'm going to put this pine cone in there too, and just let it go. Should be good. Take the cover off. Got my own wildfire. All right, guys, I'm going to get my suit on, and we're going to go over to the hives.